In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create events in Google Analytics 4 or GA4 using Google Tag Manager. This is a straightforward process that allows you to track user interactions more effectively, giving you deeper insights into your website's performance. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access your Google Tag Manager account. Once you're in, look for the option that says New Tag. This is where the magic begins, as tags are crucial for sending information from your website to Google Analytics. Once you've clicked on New Tag, you'll see various tag templates. For this task, we'll opt for the Google Analytics GA4 event tag template. Selecting this template is essential because it's specifically designed to work with GA4, ensuring that all event data is accurately captured and reported. Next, you'll need to enter the name of your GA4 event. A common example might be something like button click. Picking a clear descriptive name is crucial here because it helps you easily identify and analyze these events later in Google Analytics. Then you'll see a drop-down menu where you must select your GA4 measurement ID. This ID is unique to your Google Analytics property and ensures that the data is sent to the correct place. If you've never done this before, you can find your measurement ID in your GA4 property settings. Now, sometimes you might want to track additional details about the event. This is where you can add custom parameters. Think of parameters as additional pieces of information that further describe the event. For example, if you're tracking a button click, parameters might include the button text or a link URL. These details can be added by clicking on the parameter row within the tag setup. Once you've configured your event tag, the next step is the triggering condition. Click on the triggering box in your GA4 event tag setup. This is where you'll determine what initiates or triggers the event. To create a new trigger, click the plus button. Naming your trigger something like button click trigger can be incredibly helpful, especially if you have multiple triggers to manage. Choosing the right trigger type is important. There are several options like all elements or some clicks, depending on what you specifically want to capture. Then define the conditions that must be met for the trigger to fire. For instance, you might set your condition to be when click text contains X. Doing so helps ensure that events are tracked precisely when and where you need them to be. After you've set everything up, remember to click Save at the top. Now, it's a good practice to test your new tag and trigger. Google Tag Manager offers a preview function, which allows you to test out your tag in a safe environment before it goes live on your site. This step is crucial to ensure that everything is working correctly. Finally, once you've validated that the event tracking is functioning as expected, you can publish your GTM container. And that's it. You've successfully created an event in Google Analytics 4 using Google Tag Manager. This setup not only helps in tracking user interactions, but also provides valuable data that can significantly impact your business decisions.